Don't rush it. Don't force it. The things meant for you will find their way to you at the right time. So don't stress so much, okay? I know it's hard to believe that when you feel like you're falling behind, when everyone else seems to be moving faster, achieving more, becoming more. But healing isn't a race. Growth isn't a competition. And your timeline is not wrong just because it looks different. Some days showing up is already a big win. Some days just getting out of bed is a progress. And that counts. It really does. Trust that what's meant for you won't miss you. What's meant for you will stay, will return, or will gently find its way back to your life when you're ready for it.